Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am MD Waliullah, Assistant Teacher of English, Police Line High School, Kumilla. Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. However, now welcome today to the English class, English first part, class 9. Dear learners, I hope you are passing your days by reading your textbook because your exam is knocking at the door. Though there is calamities or natural event is happening in the country over the whole world, but it is noteworthy that you have to read and you have to be prepare yourself for your exam. Dear learners, today we shall discuss English first part. I would like to tell in your front that it is known to us that there are many people in our country who are great and famous in different aspects, in different sides. Such as there are some people who are related to poem, some are related to prose, some are related to arts, some are related to singing songs, such kind of things. Dear learners, there are many famous people, but today I would like to discuss in your front about a people who is related to art. Can you tell who is he? Actually, you should see the picture, the textbook. This is a picture. Can you tell who is he? Actually, who is he? He is Jainul Abidin. He is an artist. Not only artist, only a common artist. He is a famous artist in our country. So, dear learners, today we shall discuss the topic Unit 7, Lesson 1. The topic is Jainul Abidin, the greatest artist. The topic is Jainul Abidin. It is known to us that Jainul Abidin is a great artist. He is an artist, a famous artist. His contribution is beyond limit in our country. Dear us, before reading this passage, before learning this passage, we should learn the new words from this passage. So you should be ready and you should look at the new words. The main words are pioneer. Pioneer, that means harbinger, forerunner, acclaimed, acknowledged, praised, depict, delineate. Depict, that means delineate. Star, famish or fast. Neck, that means skill and efficiency. Harsh, haughty, bad, evil, etc. Show, display, exhibit. Sinister, unlucky, evil, pernicious, helpless, helpless. Okay, these are very, very important words of the passage, which passage will be discussed in your front at this moment. So, dear learners, these are main words of the passage. Now, we shall know the summary or gist of the passage. It is known to us that Zainul Abidin is an artist. He is a great artist. Actually, he is called the Shilpacharya, which is referred to the painting or such kind of activities. Artist. This great person was born in Kishorganj. This great person was born in Kishorganj in 1914. In 1914, he was born in Kishorganj. Okay. He contributed to the liberation war of our country to a great extent, such as he, for his feminine sketches in 1970, he is acclaimed and he is widely known over the world. In 1970, a feminine, which was, it is known to us that feminine sketches, a Heart's Famine, which is related to 1940, Heart's Famine, the tough famine, and the sinister face. By this famine, the sinister face of the people, he documented, he showed elaborately and seriously. Okay, his main work is painting. And his remarkable contribution, a remarkable work and remarkable side. Remarkable side is he was a teacher. Still he was a student. And while he was a student, he was also a teacher. Which institution? You should look at the middle position of your passage. While he was still a student, appointed teacher of art school. It's a remarkable aspect of him. He is a student, but he is a teacher. It's remarkable aspect. Okay? And another side is, he was also founding father of Bangladeshi art. It is also very remarkable aspect of him. Okay? And for this reason, he is referred to Shilpacharya. That means great teacher of art. Okay? And his main work is which is called Manpura. It was depicted, or it was made by him on the devastating cyclone of 1970. The Manpura was constructed and made on the devastating cyclone of 1970. It is a very, very remarkable matter for him, which is 30 feet long scroll painting. 30 feet long scroll painting. Manpura. That is Manpura. Okay, and it commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. Okay. Telanar's next, he founded the folk art. It is also his great work. He founded the folk art, where at Sonargaon, also Zainul Abidin at Sonargaon. and it is his very great work. Okay, so dear learners, actually it is we should know that he was also related to a great talent, and he was meritorious in respect of artist and painting and such kind of things. For this reason, he is referred to Shilpacharya. That means great teacher of art, and he is proud of our country. Zainul Abidin. It is known to us that he was born in 1914 in Kishoreganj, and his death is 1976. This great person's death is 1976. Okay, and he also earned a government medal, gold medal, for his contribution. Okay, so at this moment we can express our opinion about him that Zainul Abidin was a great artist and he is proud of our country. He is born 1914 and his death is 1970, and his main work is Monpura and a feminine scroll which is 30 feet long. By this thing he earned a fame and name in the history. Okay, dear learners, you will read this passage with the word with synonym and antonym, and you should practice this. That it will be clear. Then it will be clear to you this passage. Okay, dear learners, homework is write a paragraph on Zainul Abidin. Homework is write a paragraph on Zainul Abidin. You should write a paragraph of Zainul Abidin. No more today. Thank all of you. May Allah pour peace upon you. Assalamu alaikum.